Okay, so let's learn how to reset Pathways modules via the Learning Assignment tool. So I'm going to be following along with the Google Doc tip sheet that I created. And so, yeah, just follow along with me. Feel free to pause, rewind, etc., etc. Okay, all right, let's share the screen. So first step, of course, is to log into Pathways, which is, we are logged into Pathways. And then again, I'll be following the doc. So let's do it. So we need to find out your learner's training that needs to be reset. So click the hamburger icon, scroll down to admin, users, and we are going to be resetting Mr. Rivera's training. Here is our learner. Bigger. Click transcript. And it's important to find out which specific training that you need to reset, because you can't just reset the whole original module. Otherwise, you will delete all their prior progress, which you absolutely do not want. We can talk a little more about that later. So this might look a little bit different because it's already completed on my screen, but we are going to reset one of the submodules. So go to the transcript, click View Training Details, and you want to find which module says in progress or failed. So that would be this particular one that we're going to reset here. So what you can do is you can highlight that, copy that, and now we know which training we need to reset. Let's go back to our hamburger, scroll down, go to the Learning Assignment tool, excuse me. And we are going to create a new assignment. So again, follow along with the doc. If I'm going too fast, which I tend to do sometimes, I apologize. You can name this whatever you like. So I'm just going to name this whatever I named it in the doc. You don't need to fill that field out. And this is where you select the training. So you click select training. Go ahead and paste right here that training that you want to reset. Should appear here. Check that. Now, if you want to reset multiple training for this learner, you can do that. What you will do is you search again and then check that item. And as you can see, it'll say selected. But for the purposes of this tip sheet video, we're just going to do this one here. Okay, so we've selected it. Go ahead and click select. It will appear there. Click next. Make sure you check assigned, approved, and registered. Scroll down. This all is selected by default. You can just go ahead and leave it the way it is. Click next. Leave this the way it is. Leave this the way it is. Here we will set our due date. So this is really only the thing that you need to change here. I'm going to give this learner 2 weeks. Okay, click next. Now, we're going to find our user. Rivera, check. Now, if you have a training, for example, like the COVID testing one, many people failed that one. So if for whatever reason, you know that you need to reset training for multiple users, you can do that here. You can check here, and you can double check that these are the people that you want to reset. Now, Michael passed it, so we don't need to reset his. Just double check, make sure we just have Romeo checked, which we do. Click select. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Now here's the important part. Here. Assigned to occurrence is the thing that will let you reset that particular test. So you want to make sure that you click that button, so you get a green check mark. Okay. And then click next. Okay, this all looks good. You can double check if you'd like. This is the thing that we want to reset. Good. Okay. Signed, approved, and registered. Good. You want this to be due in about 2 weeks. And the important thing is assigned to occurrence. That is a learner whose training we'd like to reset. Click submit. Go ahead and confirm. And as you can see, here is the thing that you just created. It's going to take maybe 5 to 15 minutes. And once this status is changed to processed, then once you go to your learner transcript, it should be available for them to retake. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.